I need to create a new repository. I'll call it remote Wi-Fi control. Then I'm just copying the description from the video. And I'm not adding a README file, marking it as public, create repository. Then I'm copying the link, and on the left side, git clone and pasting the same thing. This created the remote Wi-Fi control folder, and I'm copying all my files from ASD into the remote. Now that it's copied, I'm going to the remote and opening Neovim. From here, I'm opening lazygit space GG, selecting everything, C version, let's say 0.1, and then I'm doing push with capital P. Now I'm refreshing the page. All the files are uploaded. This is where the files need to be placed. This is the change that needs to be done. And this is the YouTube URL.